Hello, I'm Cecilia Hoog. I'm going to teach you how to cook a very simple chicken dish called chicken a la king. This is a healthy and nutritious meal that you can whip up quickly after work in the evenings. We're going to start off with chicken breast meat. It's very low in fat. Being an animal protein, it's also a complete protein containing all 8 essential amino acids. We're going to cut this into chunks. Don't cut it too small because it will just integrate into the dish. Okay, there's one small sinew at the top of each fillet, so just remove that sinew as well. Always when you work with meat, remember not to cross-contaminate. Remove your meat cutting board and knife. Right, now onto the vegetables. I will start off with onions. It's going to add great flavor to my dish. Okay, so we can actually see a little bit of browning in the bottom of the pan. Okay, this is fantastic. This is where all the flavor is developing. Okay, our next ingredient is peas. I'm using frozen peas. Frozen peas actually has more nutrients than those canned peas. It's also much nicer in texture. It's a very good source of fiber. I prefer to use the baby peas. Again, you won't have those dry, hard pieces of peas that might put children off. So a few handfuls of peas. Okay, this needs almost no cooking at all, so you add it right at the end of the cooking process. Right, the chicken a la king dish actually is a dish that is thickened with flour and milk. So it is quite saucy, nice to eat with rice. The technique is quite important. Okay, so what we're going to do is use a plain flour and sprinkle it all over the food. Okay, try to sprinkle it all over instead of just dumping it on one spot. It will actually be absorbed into the liquids. Yeah, I'm then going to add milk. I'm using low-fat milk. You can look out for those healthier choice products like low-fat milk, easily noticeable with the triangle sign. Okay, so I add little by little. You add about half a cup of milk. Get that all stirred through. So a little bit of seasoning in the form of salt. and a little bit of pepper. Now I'm going to serve this dish with some rice. And for the final touch, we will add a little bit of parsley. Okay, parsley has a very high content of vitamin C. Unfortunately, when you add it into dishes while it's cooking, you will lose all the vitamin C. And there's a finely chopped and the light sprinkling. So there you go, chicken a la king, easy to whip up after work.